Hello guys, this is Engineer Maruf. Welcome from Saad Academy to my new course Basic PHP tutorial. I will not give much introduction on the PHP cause already you are well known upon it. Just at the starting I will say that PHP code is executed on the server. That means in my local PC I have installed XAMPP and made my PC as a server. Before you start, what you should already know. Before you continue, you should have a basic understanding of the number 1 HTML, then CSS. After that, if you JavaScript. If you want to study this subject, then please visit my channel and learn about this. If you are not so much highly familiar with this, please continue. I will teach you. What is PHP? PHP is an acronym for PHP, that means Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP is widely used open source scriptive language. PHP scripts are executed on the server. PHP is free to download and use. I will show you how you have to download and use. PHP is an emerging and popular language. It is powerful enough to be at the core of the biggest blogging system on the web, like as WordPress. Also, it is deep enough to run the largest social network like as Facebook. Then, it is also enough to be beginners first server-side language. What is a PHP file? PHP file can contain text, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP code. PHP code is executed on the server as I said earlier, and I will show how you can make your PC as a server, and the result is returned to the browser as a plain HTML. PHP file have the extension .php. That means this is my XAMPP. I am entering to htdocs. I am opening a new folder. I am naming it PHP and I am creating a file. I will name it index, and what I have said, PHP file have extension .php. Now this is an PHP file. What can PHP do? PHP can generate dynamic page content. Dynamic. This is Voice of Journal, a PHP based news portal. This is dynamic website. You already know there are two types of website. One is dynamic, one is static. PHP can create, open, read, write, delete and close files on the server. PHP can collect form data. PHP can send and receive cookies also. PHP can add, delete, modify data in your database. Most important things, I will show you the MySQL database. Also, I will teach you how to integrate database with the PHP. PHP can be used to control user access. That means the dynamic portion. PHP can encrypt data. With PHP, you are not limited to output HTML. You can output images, PDF file and even flash movies. You can also output any text such as XHTML and XML. Now the biggest question is, why PHP? Well, PHP runs on the various platforms. That means PHP is a cross-platform language. Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS X, you can run it in any platform. PHP is compatible with almost all servers used today, like as Apache. PHP supports a wide range of database. PHP is free. If you go to the www.php.net, enter it. From here you can able to download the PHP and use it. Please see the final release of the PHP is 7.4.18. In depth, I will show you what the difference between the earlier. I will giving you 3 points based on comparing with the 5.6. In PHP 7 is much faster than the previous popular stable release of 5.6. PHP 7 has improved error handling. PHP 7 supports sticker type declaration for the function argument. This was the limited introduction about the PHP. From the next session, I will start through coding, not any introduction. Again, greetings from Saad Academy. Have a good day.